Hello students, come to the next lecture. Now we'll see the first question of today's class. In a normal distribution, 31% of the items are under 45 and 8% are over 64. Find the mean and variance of the distribution. Right. So here, before going to the solution, I just want to give you the small conclusion. In this normal distribution, we are having two type of questions. The first type of question is mean and variance are given in the question. We have to find the shaded region area. That is first type of question, and in that we see two questions. Now, coming to the second type of question, given you area, we have to find mean and variance of the distribution. See here what are given. In a normal distribution, 31% of the items are under 45 and 8% are over 64. Then find the mean and variance of the distribution. Am I correct? Yes. Now my question, my question, given you here 31% of the items are under 45. Yes. So my question is, how can you denote in terms of a probability? Tell me, how can you denote it is in terms of probability? Right. How can you denote this 31% of the items are under 45 in terms of probability? Can you guess? Yeah. So here we can denote this in terms of probability as P of x under 45, right? So x less than 45, it is equal to 31 percentage. Let's read it again. 31% of the items are under 45. Under 45. So we can denote it as like this. P of x less than 45, it is equal to 31 percentage. Okay. And given you one more thing also. 8% are over 64. 8% are over 64. Can I say above 64? Yes. So then how can you denote this in terms of probability? We can denote it as P of x greater than 64, it is equal to 8 percentage. Is it clear everyone? Yes. So this 31 percentage in the sense, can I say 0.31, and here 8% means 0.08. Yes. Okay. So this is about the given question in. Okay. Right. So now we'll go to the normal distribution table and we will express this given area in the normal distribution table. Okay. Right. Right. So this is the our normal distribution table. So here this midpoint is at z equal to 0. Okay. This midpoint is z equal to 0, and we can also say that x equal to 0. Right. Given you x less than 45 is 0.31. X greater than 64, 8% is 0.05. Right. X less than 45 means, given you under 45, 31% of the items are under 45. So because of your word under, I'm identifying that line is there in the negative direction at x equal to 45. So let us say, for example, this is a point x equal to 45. Okay, this is the point x equal to 45. So this is the point. Then so here is my line x equal to 45 line. This is the my line. Okay, right. Now coming to here, 8% are over 64, so means above 64. So from this over word, I'm just treating 64 is towards the right side because of a word over. Okay, right. So then this will be the line of x equal to 64. Okay, this will be the line of x equal to 64, right? Now we identified properly wherever x equal to 45 is there and x equal to 64 is there. Now our next question, where is the area as per the given question? Given given us under 45, right? Under 45, so means we denoted as less than symbol here. We denoted as less than, so which is nothing but whenever less than is given you, then your area towards left side. I told you, did you remember? Your area towards left side. And because I discussed in the working rule of the normal distribution, did you remember or not? See, your area from that line to left side because of a word less than, right? Now we have a word symbol greater than. If I'm having greater than, then our area, can I say from that line to right side? Yes. So this is a point at x equal to, at x equal to 64. Okay, so from this line to your area towards the right side. Okay, your area is towards right side, right? So now we identified properly wherever I mean given area from the question. Okay, now given us this shaded region area, this shaded region area is 0.31. Yes, so I'm just denoting here 0.31. And what about this shaded region area as per the question? 0.08, right? So 0.08. Okay, now see, this is about the given question. Whatever we talked till now, so that is about the given question only. Now, now what I wanted to say here, we know this half of the area is 0.5 and this half of the area is also 0.5. Yes or no? Yes. Okay, so we have this area is 0.31. This area is 0.31. Then how much is this left space area? Tell me. Because this total area is 0.5, so from this 0.5 I'm eliminating this 0.31 area, then your area, this empty area, becomes 0.19. Can I say? Yes. So 0.19 is the area of this empty space. Okay, right. So similarly, this total area is 0.5. This total area is 0.5. So we have an area from this line to here is 0.08. If this area is 0.08, then how much area for this empty space? Tell me. 0.5 minus 0.08, it will become 0.42. Yes or no? So which is nothing but this empty area space 0.02, sorry, 0.42. Okay, is it clear everyone? From a point 0 to this point, from a point 0 to here, can I say P of, can I say P of 0 less than z less than z1, because this is a point of x1 and this is a point of x2, because two x values are given in the question, right? So from here to here, 0 less than z less than z1. So how much area from a point 0 to z1? Tell me. 0 0.19. 0 0.19. And now P of, I mean from a point 0 to, from a point 0 to this point, can I say 0 less than z less than z2 from a point 0 to z2? Yes. So what is the area from a point 0 to z2? 0.42. I think everyone is clear till here, right? So now what I'm going to do here. So what we want, I just wanted to revise you previous question once. See, in this question, here I'm having area of 3.00. Yes. So after that, what did you written? 0.4981, you written it. My question, how did you written this 0.4981? Because we seen in the table, right? We seen in the normal distribution table 3.00. Where is the 3.00? See here I written. So from this 3.00, I'm taking before the decimal 1 point and after the decimal 1 digit. So 3.0 we observed in the row. We observed in the row. And later last digit 0, this is observed here. So the combination of these two, 0.4981, 0.4987. So this value are written here. See, okay, this is about the last question. And before that, one more question also we did it. See, area of 1.73 have a area 0.4582. Area of 0.81 have 0.2910, right? So I'll show you once again. 1.73, right? So 1.73. So 1.73 in the sense 1.7 will see in the row. Last digit 3 means 0.03 will see in the column. So what is the intersection of these two? 0.4582. Let's see whether we did I write same thing or not. See, 0.4582. I written same answer. Yes. So the conclusion is, in this question, from a value of z, I written a area by seeing the table. Okay. So what I'm going to do in this question, tell me. I'm going a backward way. This is the area, right? This is the area. Area 0.19 is the area, right? So from this area, I'm getting a value of z. Similarly, from this area 0.42, I'm getting the value of z. Okay, how I'm getting, like our by using of the z distribution table. Okay, just I'll go 0.19 is there, right? Okay, see in this entire table, where is the 0.19? See, 0.18441879. See, 0.1916. So it is nothing but 19 is started at this level. Yes, at this level 19 is started. So 0.19 is happened at 0.5 and last digit is 0. So can I say this 0.1916 is existed at area of 0.50, 0.5 and last digit is 0? Yes or no? Yes, I we can say that. So this is the value of z. At z equal to 0.50, we have an area 0.1916. Okay, so I'm writing in the place of 0.19. I'm writing in the place of 0.19 as 0.50. Okay, I hope everyone is understand. From the area, how did I convert it to z variable? Yes, right. Similarly, from this 0.42 area, from this area, I'm getting a value of z2. I'm getting a value of z2. So it is equal to, let's see, where is this 0.42 in the table, normal distribution table? Where is 0.42? 0. See, 39. 39 is last here. 0.42. 0. Just a minute. 0.42, right? Right. 0.41. Where is 41? See, 177 4. Yeah. So here is the last term in terms of 41. So here I'm having value 0.4207. Okay. So at this point, at this point, what is the value of z? Area of 1.4 and the column value 1. So 1.41 is the value of z at this area. So I'm substituting here 1.41. I hope everyone is clear. How did I found the value of z1 and z2? And one more conclusion. This line is there in the left side, right? So I can write it as minus sign. And this line is there in the right side, so no need to keep positive sign, because I mean no need to keep a negative sign, because that area is in positive direction. Okay, so finally I got a value of z1 and z2. Okay, so now what I'm going to do here, I'm taking the formula of the normal distribution. We know that z equal to x minus nu by sigma. In this formula, I'm substituting your values. Okay, so which is nothing but z1 equal to x1 minus nu by sigma. Okay, so z1 value minus 0.50 equal to x1 minus new value, do you know? No, but x1 value I know, right? 45. So 45 minus nu by sigma. So these two values we have to find, right? So sigma I'm sending LHS equal to 45 minus nu. So let us treat it as equation 1. Similarly, in this formula, I'm substituting wherever z as z2, x as x2. Okay, so z2 equal to x2 minus nu by sigma, which implies z2 value how much? Z2 1.41 is equal to x2 value 64 minus nu by sigma. So sigma sent to LHS, 1.41 into sigma equal to 64 minus nu. Let us take it as equation 2. So what I'm doing, solving 1 and 2 comma, will get the value of nu equal to and sigma equal to equal to 50, standard deviation is 10, hence proved, right? So we want to find a mean and standard deviation of the normal distribution. Yes, so these are the values for the given question. So let me quick revise once. In a normal distribution, 31% of the items are under 45 and 8% are over 64. find the mean and variance of the distribution. So given in the question 31% of the items are under 45. So we can denote it as P of x less than 45 equal to 31 percentage, which is nothing but 0.31. And also given 8% are over 64. So P of x greater than 64, it is equal to 8 percentage, nothing but 0.08. Okay, so now what I'm going to do here, I'm taking a normal table. So in this table, given a word under, so I identified that the line is in negative direction. So I drawn here x equal to 45. And here given a word above, so I drawn a line x equal to 40, 64 is in positive direction, right? So after drawing those lines, we are identifying where is the area from the question. So given a word under, so because of a word I written here less than, so as for the less than, your area towards left side, because less than symbol. Okay, area towards left side. And here having a greater than above, so it is nothing but area towards right side from the line. Okay, simply I'm telling you. So then after identifying 0.31 and 0.08, then what is the empty area for this? 0.19. So what about this empty area? 0.42. Okay, so then I'm writing a probability from a point 0 to this z1. Okay, so p of 0 less than z1 is equal to 0.19. It implies z1 equal to, so at a place of 0.19 I'm having a value of z minus 0.50. Actually 0.50 is there, but that area towards left side, so I kept a minus. So here that is, this area is the right side, so not keeping minus. Okay, so this is about z1 and z2. So now I'm taking a formula of the normal distribution z equal to x minus nu by sigma. Then here I'm substituting the values. Then I'm getting an equation 1. Similarly, in the same equation, substituting the values. By solving it, I'm getting the solution of mean and standard deviation. Hence proved. Yes. We'll continue in the next lecture.